Fast-moving object the size of Manhattan is hurtling towards our solar system, and it will make its closest pass to Earth.
Science is fun as long as you allow yourself to learn something new. And the problem with experts is that
the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most advanced eye in the cosmos, has once again pushed the limits of what we thought possible. This time it turned not to a distant galaxy or a planet orbiting a faraway star, but to a wandering body entering the outskirts of our own system. What Webb has revealed has the potential to shake the foundations of science. A colossal object has appeared from the interstellar void, unlike anything astronomers have ever studied. It carries the name 3I Atlas, and with every new observation it seems less like a simple rock and more like something alive. The strange visitor was first noticed in early 2020, when telescopes on Earth spotted something drifting beyond Neptune. Measurements suggested it was about 5 kilometers long, shaped like a cigar. Soon it was confirmed as the third known interstellar body after ʻOumuamua in 2017 and Borisov in 2019. ʻOumuamua had already puzzled astronomers with its odd shape, unexpected acceleration, and lack of a visible tail, while Borisov behaved more like a traditional comet. Yet from the start, 3I Atlas behaved differently still. It did not glow, produced no vapor trail of evaporating ice, and moved silently through space with a metallic sheen. Its steadiness and silence marked it as something apart from both its predecessors. Its path made it even stranger, a hyper-elongated orbit, unbound to the sun, arriving from deep space. Light reflection hinted at metal rather than frozen dust. From the beginning, observers debated, was it natural or could it be artificial? Some wondered if it was a shard of alien engineering, recalling speculation about ʻOumuamua as a possible probe or light sail created by an advanced civilization. Spectroscopic scans deepened the puzzle. Chemical signatures did not match ordinary cometary products. Something complex left unusual traces in its wake. Ground telescopes lacked the precision to answer, so NASA turned to its most powerful tool. Webb's massive mirror was directed at the intruder. Its instruments, especially the mid-infrared instrument, EMIRI, designed to detect faint heat and subtle emissions, focused squarely on the target. Infrared sensors revealed bursts of heat radiating from deep within the object, not its surface. These thermal emissions repeated in cycles like a heartbeat. Webb's measurements showed patterns that matched no known mineral or chemical reaction. It seemed as though energy was being managed, released at intervals. For a telescope designed primarily to peer into the early universe and distant exoplanets, detecting such pulses within a nearby object was both unexpected and astonishing. More surprising was its rotation. Unlike asteroids tumbling randomly, 3I Atlas made subtle, deliberate-looking adjustments, as if something inside was controlling its orientation. The changes could not be explained by gravity or gas jets. Researchers at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center admitted that no natural model yet explained the data. Comparisons were made with spacecraft signals, with emissions from organisms, even with structured radio bursts. Some heat pulses displayed mathematical symmetry too precise to be chance. That suggested either technology, biology, or something between. Webb searched for biosignatures. Spectroscopy showed unusual absorption lines. Some matched markers from Earth's extremophils, life that survives in toxic, oxygen-free, or radioactive environments. Others hinted at amino acids unknown in terrestrial biology. This meant either alien chemistry or an entirely new form of life. The thermal pulses rose and fell like breaths, synchronized like inhaling and exhaling. In one case, Webb recorded a surge resembling fermentation, a process used by microbes. Could colonies exist inside, shielded by kilometers of stone? Or was the entire body itself a single vast organism? A bold idea took hold. 3I. Atlas might not just carry life, but actually be alive, a cosmic creature slowly awakening as it nears the sun. Evolution on such scales could create life forms unlike anything on Earth. Beings that feed on radiation, draw energy from magnetic fields, and drift between stars. If true, humanity's first encounter may be with alien biology, not machines. The implications are staggering. Astrobiology has long focused on planets with water and atmospheres. Atlas challenges that, suggesting life may thrive in environments far beyond our imagination, inside roving objects or as mountain-sized organisms in space. Panspermia theories propose life spreads by comets or meteorites, but usually in frozen, dormant form. Atlas appears metabolically active on the move, contradicting current models. If such life exists, our definition of habitable zone collapses, and the range of possible biospheres expands beyond planets to the interstellar medium itself. Could its signals be communication? The bursts of energy might be coded messages. Radio observatories, including the Allen Telescope Array, have begun listening. No confirmed detections yet, but the search continues. And many believe it is only a matter of time before patterns emerge that cannot be mistaken for noise. Calculations show that by late 2026, 3I Atlas will pass within 27 million kilometers of Earth, 70 times the Moon's distance. There is no collision risk, but it is close enough for unprecedented study. Subtle changes in velocity cannot be explained by gravity alone. No gas jets have been seen, yet its path shifts as if propelled. If this is navigation, it is beyond our knowledge. NASA has convened working groups to study potential probe missions before the object departs. Even crude flyby concepts have been discussed, though only in theory. Time is limited. Once it passes, it will vanish into interstellar night, unless it decides to linger. Agencies in Europe and Asia are also watching closely, sparking early international talks about joint missions, knowing the opportunity may never come again. Webb continues monthly observations, recording every fluctuation. Planetary defense teams, usually tasked with monitoring asteroid threats, are watching too, not because Atlas is dangerous, but because it is unique. Whatever it is, it carries a message from elsewhere, perhaps another form of life. Its presence challenges science, philosophy, and belief alike. Religious leaders debate its meaning. Philosophers ask whether humanity is ready for a cosmic other, and scientists argue about how to communicate if communication is even possible. The object still approaches, moving between the orbits of Earth and Mars. Across light years of darkness, through stone and shadow, something may be awakening. The cosmos waits to see how we will respond. So what do you think? Is 3I Atlas a vast living being, an ancient technological relic, or a hybrid of both? Share your ideas and join the conversation, because whatever it is, the moment of encounter is approaching, and our response may define humanity's place among the stars.